welcome to the Red BRK YouTube channel. Let's start the video. This video is for the inspirational and motivational purpose only. Here's in this video, I'm going to introduce you to some of the thoughts of the day that's most necessary to people and students of the people. Subject here now, thoughts for living beings is always positive if it is for non-violence. Thoughts for living beings is always positive if it is for non-violence. Sometimes positive aspects are a possible key to success. Sometimes positive aspects are a possible key to success. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. The thought of the day. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Mind is dynamic itself. Mind is dynamic itself. Life has no remote control. Get up and sense mind by yourself. Life has no remote control. Get up and sense mind by yourself. The thoughts of the day. Of the day. What you do today can improve all your tomorrow. What you do today can improve all your tomorrow. What you do today can improve your tomorrow. You can start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. Thoughts of the day.
Basic level ni mati tu mulai dah na. Dia umur. Level ni
A good day is a good day. A bad day is a good story. A good day is a good day. A bad day is a good story. At the end of the day, it is all good. A good day is a good day, a bad day is a good story, and at the end of the day, it is all good. A good day is a good day, a bad day is a good story. At the end, it is all good. Thoughts of the day. If you sense the way you think, you will sense the way you feel. Let's see. If you sense the way you think, you will sense the way you feel. If you sense the way you think, you will sense the way you feel. rest of the day. If you sense the way you think, you will sense the way you feel.